Don't you remember? She wore gloves to avoid freezing everybody around.
Yeah, but there were moments when she stomped and ice blocks appeared everywhere.
Oh, well, then her magic is apparently in her feet too.
I've been training to master professional freezing, but Elsa with her can't see you, don't let them yell.
So what are you saying?
Let's make Elsa shoes and get at least tiny bit of her frozen magic.
I'm not sure about magic, but that totally sounds like a cool craft idea.
Oh, yes! Hi, guys. I just tricked Suzy into an amazing craft.
Tricked me? Hey, everyone.
I just wasn't so sure you're ready to sacrifice another pair of shoes for a craft.
Oh, you little prankster. You know how much I love making something new from something old.
Guys, we've already upgraded several pairs of shoes, and you can click around our channel to watch those videos.
This time, we'll do it a bit differently. What do you say, Sammy?
Wow, that's a nice drawing, Suzy, but why do we need it?
Watch my hands. And whoosh! That's why.
What? You've learned a new magic trick? Teach me that! I'm all ears!
A true magician never reveals their secrets, Sammy. Ta-da! Cool, huh?
That's not fair!
Oh, don't be upset, Sammy. I promise you'll learn something new by the end of this video. Guys, these shoes already look beautiful enough, right? But we'll customize them using foam paper, scissors, gemstones, and one of our favorites, the glue gun. Let's get started.
Suzy, I'm not holding grudges anymore. Can I help?
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that, Sammy. Take this. In the meantime, I'll keep working on my part. Here we go. We'll start by making nice carved front and back parts for our shoes out of foam paper. This will not only make them more beautiful, but also make it easier to glue the gemstones later. Now it's time to cut out the pattern. Just be careful with the scissors, guys. Like this.
You can use your imagination here, guys. Isn't it great? Give us thumbs up if you agree.
Sam's right. That's where our imagination took us. Now, check this out. Now these two pieces really look like a Snow Queen's crown.
Next, we'll glue these pieces onto our shoes, right?
Let's start with the left one. We'll use hot glue. Be very careful with the glue gun, guys. Or better, ask an adult to help you. Here we go. Now we'll attach this piece over here and press a little.
Don't rush, Sue! Everything should be perfect, just like Elsa.
Trust me, Sammy, I know what I'm doing. Here comes the back part. Great. And again, carefully press it. And the left shoe is ready for the next stage. Now we need to do the same with its right sister.
Sue, I already took care of that.
Aw, thank you. Awesome. Now you two, on to the next stage. Guys, all we need to do now is decorate our shoes properly, covering them in these incredibly beautiful gemstones. Oh, check out how sparkly they are. I love it. Guys, do you like all these sparkles? I'm gonna start with the front part. Oh, it's gonna be so fun.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Right. Thanks, Sammy. That's just what we need.
Wait, Suzy, that reminds me of something. Earlier today, you promised to teach me a new magic trick by the end of this video. I'm ready now, if you know what I mean.
Looks like someone's got a good memory. Okay, Sammy, stand still, concentrate, and try to turn this little gemstone blue.
Alright. Should I say something?
Just try to think about, I don't know, the sky, the sea, literally anything that's blue.
It's unbelievable! So it worked!
Nice job, Sammy. Am I right, guys? Then give our little fast learner a thumbs up. And here's one more trick from me. Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity! Now we have enough gemstones to cover both of our shoes. Awesome!
I want to try another magic trick too. This will totally work. Ahem. Alakazam! Alakazam!
Sammy, looks like something went wrong. Sammy? Oh no! Guys, look what happened! Sammy just turned into a plushie!
No I didn't. That was a joke, Sue! Thanks for your help, Meanie Sam!
Oh, you two. I see that somebody has too much free time for all these pranks, huh? Why don't you better deal with the second shoe then,
I'm on it, Sue!
Alright, in the meantime, guys, let's keep gluing gemstones to this shoe. There we go. Carefully. Here comes another gemstone. This way. This process needs a lot of patience and accuracy. Ooh, I'm a bit tired. Let's speed up. It came out just awesome! Do you like it, guys? But it seems to me that something is still missing here. Let's add more sparkles. Hop. And one more goes right here. Cool. Let me adjust it. And this way. Check these out, guys. Don't they look magical? Let's do the same on the other side using some magic. Snap. Awesome. The front part of our shoe is done. Now let's work on a heel.
Really, Sue? You're so quick! I've got to hurry up!
I almost didn't do anything. Check this out. Did you see that, guys? Awesome, wasn't it? If you like that, give us a thumbs up. Now only this part is left. Only, where's my wand? Oh, there it is. Thanks for looking after my wand, Elsa. Watch closely, guys. Wow, it came out so wonderful. I'm just so happy with the result. But we're still missing one more shoe. Sammy?
The second shoe is ready too!
Awesome! You did a great job, Sammy. Now we have a complete set. These shoes are adorable.
Sue, I've been thinking, what would make any shoe look like Elsa's?
And what is that, Sammy?
Snowflakes, of course! Check these out!
Cool idea, Sammy. Great minds think alike. Guys, check out how lovely and sparkly they are. Let's glue the first snowflake. And here comes the second one. We'll place it right here. Yay! We finally finished decorating the shoes. What do you say, Sammy?
Oh, they're adorable! Well, guys, we are ready to check out our craft in all its glory. Are you? Then let's do this!
Wow, these shoes definitely deserve to be worn by a Disney princess. Guys, thank you for being with us today.
Wow, hold it, Sue!
Why? What's wrong?
Don't you want to try them on? I mean, I'm sure they'll fit you!
Don't know. Wait, what if they will give me Elsa's frozen magic for real?
Wasn't that the whole point of this craft?
Okay, let's do this. I don't need this anymore. Would you look at them, guys? These shoes are simply fabulous. Beautiful. I think I can feel Elsa's magic power. Do you?
Now try to sing along and stomp your foot!
Okay. Let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
Awesome! I can't believe that! I was right from the very beginning!
Guys, I hope you liked our craft today. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Sue, wait for